Hey everyone, so I just wanted to do a quick video here. It's Friday night and I wanted to mention that I am doing a giveaway. 600 subscriber giveaway is what I'm going to call it. I know I talked about doing a 500 subscriber giveaway, but 500 kind of got away from me and so I just passed 600 this week. So I want to do a giveaway just to show thanks to everybody who's joined, who's subscribed, who's sticking around and hanging out, watching the videos, enjoying the videos. And I have a lot of hand planes and a lot of hand tools and things that I don't use. So it would actually make me feel better knowing that you could use them if it's something you're interested in. So what I'm going to include in the giveaway is a Stanley hand plane. And none of these are by any means top quality. They're actually kind of on the lower end, but they're good for people who are just getting into it or who need tools and don't really have a budget for it. So this will hopefully help somebody out. So again, Stanley hand plane, Stanley spoke shave. I have a few sets of chisels and I don't need them all. I realize at this point now there's a couple of sets that I'm not using. So I will put a nice fresh edge on those and sharpen them up. I actually did a video on how I sharpen the chisels, so you may want to go check that out. I'll put a link up here so you can see how that goes. I'm also going to include a mallet, and I don't have the mallet yet because my plan is in the next week or two I'm going to do a video on making a mallet, and I'm actually going to make two because I need one because I broke mine, and I'm going to make one for you, the winner, to go into your toolbox. And speaking of toolbox, I'm also going to make a small toolbox. It's not going to be anything huge because I do need to ship it and I don't want to make it some enormous thing. And so I'm going to make a small toolbox to be able to put the hand plane in, put the spoke shave in, to put the chisels in, and the mallet all in one small toolbox, package it up and ship it out to the winner. Now I do understand that a lot of people here on the channel aren't into woodworking and don't do woodworking themselves. So I'm putting an option out there that if you are the winner and you decide you're not really interested in the tools, that's fine. I'm going to offer as an option a $25 Amazon gift card. This way there's still an incentive for you to sign up for the giveaway, and still a way for me to give my appreciation to you for being here. So I'm going to put a link down in the description below to the site where you need to go to sign up for the giveaway. So initially, for the initial entry, you just need to be a subscriber here on this channel, because essentially this is a giveaway for the subscribers, for everyone who keeps coming back to the channel and supporting us here. So I just wanted to throw that out there. The other thing I want to talk about is the weekend videos. I normally do, or have been doing, a Sunday live chat video, and what I'd like to do is switch it up and do one or maybe even two live chat videos on the weekends, but change it into Friday nights and Saturdays. But if I understand there's different time zones, and that's the reason I'm suggesting potentially two live streams, because I know people are in lots of different parts of the world that subscribe. And so I just wanted to give everybody an opportunity and a chance to join in on the live feeds. And I enjoy doing them, so I don't mind doing a couple of them if that helps. And you know, if there are people, let's just say if there are people willing to join another live chat, please put down something in the comment section below, whether you prefer Friday or Saturday nights, or doesn't matter to you. And if you could give a rough idea for like a time window that's most convenient for you to kind of jump on the computer and just sit back and hang out and chat. Again, if that's something you're interested in. I understand there's a lot of subscribers on this channel here that don't get involved with the live chat, and I totally understand that. You prefer to watch the other content I have here, and that's perfectly fine, and I greatly appreciate that. The giveaway is open to everyone. Just for the people who are interested in the live chat, I figured I would just throw this out there. What I would like to do is get rough days and times, that windows that people are available for that, and then I'll try to come up with, based on that information, a good time and day to do the live chats on the weekends. And I'll still do the Sunday new subscriber and channel shoutouts. I'm just going to do that in a video that I'm just going to upload separately. One other thing is, this morning I did a live video where we did an online live Google Hangout, but I had a little bit of trouble to figuring out how to do the Google Hangouts live, because there's a tiny little checkbox that says click here basically to do your Google Hangouts instead of, you know, a regular YouTube live. I missed that, but I fumbled through it a little bit, and I had some help from a couple other guys from some other channels. Those guys are Nick Ferry and Patrick's Workshop. I actually caught up with them this morning. They were doing a live feed as I was waking up. They were on a live feed, and I was up at about 4:30 this morning Eastern time, and I got up, picked up my phone, and I had a notification that Patrick was live. So I was like, hey, that's kind of neat. Grabbed my coffee, sat down, and I started watching it, and it was a Google Hangouts, and they had mentioned, hey, you know, click on the link to join the Hangout, and you can jump in and literally chat with us live, talking, video, the whole bit. So I was like, hey, that's kind of cool. So I grabbed my headset, I jumped on and started chatting with them, and a couple other guys joined, Matt, Bob, Javier, or Javi's Woodshop. And on the video that I uploaded for that live feed, there's links to all those guys' channels that we were chatting with. But it was kind of just an off-the-cuff thing. I was on Patrick's channel and we were talking, and then he says, hey, let's go over to your channel and talk to your subscribers. So I was like, hey, that's cool, let's do that. And of course it was super early in the morning, at least, and I know a lot of the subscribers, when I look at the analytics, a lot of them are Central and Eastern time zone. So I'm sure a lot of people weren't quite up and ready for that. But there were a few. Andy, Chris, so there were some Pratt's Greenhouse was on. So there were some guys that did join in, and that was a lot of fun. It was kind of crazy because I kind of just woke up and had bedhead and threw my hat on and my headset. So it looked pretty ratty sitting there in the video, but it was fun. Some of you may know Nick Ferry. He does have a much bigger YouTube channel, and Patrick's Workshop. I subscribe to him. Bob Lee, Matt, I'm doing this off memory, I think it was Matt's Workshop or Matthew's Work. The links are there in that video. And then Javi's Woodshop, and I've actually was a subscriber to him already. Definitely check those guys out. They do all sorts of different maker stuff. Javi's got a CNC setup that is pretty sweet, pretty high-tech setup there that looks pretty cool. It's a lot of fun to watch him. Check those channels out. I would recommend it, and if you like them, subscribe, and let them know I sent you over. I just wanted to kind of go over those things and talk about that. Give me some feedback on when you'd like to do the live chats, and I'll try to figure out a common time everyone's available. If you could give me a time window rather than just a specific time, that would help out a lot. This way I can look for overlap in people's availability. The giveaway, click the link, go over there, sign up. Good luck on the giveaway. I'm going to work on making some of these prizes here and getting things sharpened up for you over the next couple weeks. I will see you on the live chat. Today is Friday. I'm not going to be available tonight for a live chat because I am not going to be home. But tomorrow, anybody who mentions times for Saturday for tomorrow, I'll try to hopefully firm up a time early midday tomorrow so I can have an idea of what time I'm going to do it, and then I'll post a video letting you know when I'm going to do that. And I will also try to schedule it, and I think when I do that it will send you a notification to let you know that I scheduled the live stream. As always, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. This isn't much of a video other than just giving you an update. But if you are new here and you're just jumping in on this video, check out some of the other videos on the channel, and if you like those, hit subscribe, hit the bell icon, and you'll be notified of when I put out other videos. And over the next day or two, you're going to get notified on the live streams. And I hope you're joining. If you are new here, jump down into the comment section. Let everyone know kind of what you do and where you're from and how you found the channel. And you know, everyone likes to chat down in the comment section. We have a lot of fun with that. We'll have a blast talking on the live chats. I always enjoy you watching the videos and commenting and giving me some feedback. I will see you on the next video. Take care, have a good night, and I will talk to you soon.